Good morning, Group 52. In Hebrew, the word name is shame, and it means reputation. So, whatever you call a person, you are prophesying a certain reputation over them. So, be sure to call those around you, not based off how they're acting, but call them based off what you want to see in their life. So, when your spouse is giving you problems, call them blessed. Call them graced, call them favored. If you are struggling, wake up in the morning, call yourself overcomer, call yourself a victor, the head and not the tail. When your kids are stressing you out, call them angels because you are prophesying those things that are not as though they are. Make sure you speak life over yourself and your family and have the best week of your life.